Looking to increase your visibility, engagement, and sales in 2022? Listen up. The Facebook algorithm is changing constantly, and in this video, I am breaking down all the important updates you need to know so you can beat the algorithm this year, get your posts seen by more people, and start generating more leads, sales, and signups from social media. Over the last 4 years, my mom and I have worked with over 40,000 female entrepreneurs to help them get more engagement, more leads, and more sales on social. The tips that I'm sharing today are not just random strategies. These are actual trends that we are seeing both in our own seven-figure business and in our clients' businesses as well. My name is Jordan Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider. Together, we help female entrepreneurs create laptop lifestyle using profitable habits and evergreen marketing strategies so you can create consistent revenue without stress and overwhelm. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new content just like this on this channel every single week, and I don't want you to miss the next free training we release. Oh, the algorithm. You can love it or you can hate it, but at the end of the day, if you're building a business on social media, you need to know how to make it work for you, not against you. Because without algorithmic favor, your posts simply won't get seen. We have had so many clients come to us over the years upset because they're not getting the engagement and sales they need from their posts. When this happens, it's easy to think nobody cares about what you're posting. But the truth is, 99% of the time, it's not that people don't care or don't like what you post, it's that they're not even seeing it. The Facebook algorithm is what decides which posts will be seen by who when different people go onto their Facebook feed, as well as what order each of those posts will show up. Facebook posts are no longer shared in chronological order. Instead, the algorithm evaluates every post and ranks it based on how interested it believes the user will be in seeing that content. Posts with the highest rank get seen first, while posts with the lowest rank get seen last, if at all. This results in a completely customized feed experience for every single user on Facebook. And your job is to convince the algorithm that your ideal clients and customers need and want to see what you post. Rankings are determined by 4 key factors. First, post inventory, or the total number of posts available to a specific user. So for example, someone who is in 3 groups and has 300 friends will have a totally different inventory available to them than someone who is in 100 groups and has their friends list maxed out at 5,000. Next, signals. These are the only part of the algorithm that you control as a marketer. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the passive and active signals your posts are sending to the algorithm so your rank goes up. Third, predictions. This one is important because it means Facebook is predicting what users like based on their past behavior. This means if you can get someone to engage with your content once, you're much more likely to get your posts seen by them in the future. Finally, relevancy. Facebook uses the other 3 factors to help determine which posts are the most relevant to each specific user, and posts with the highest relevancy get ranked first. At this point, you're probably saying, cool, so that's all well and good, but how do I beat it? How do I make sure that my posts are sending the right signals so I can boost my relevancy score and my overall algorithmic rank? Let's dive into it. The biggest change to the Facebook algorithm in 2022 is the introduction of Facebook Reels. This feature completely changed the game and has made it easier than ever to get Facebook to find and connect with your ideal clients and customers. If you want to dive deeper into how to use Reels specifically to attract more followers on Facebook, check out this video. The most important thing to remember in order to beat the algorithm is you must have a strategy. On Facebook, we recommend posting no more than once a day to your feed, while also posting anywhere from 3 to 7 reels each week and 5 to 10 stories a day. So let's talk about posting with purpose. Every post, including your reels and stories, needs to serve at least one of these 3 goals: to attract more friends and followers, to nurture current friends and followers, and to convert leads and sales for your business. If you want to see the exact posting schedule that we use to power our own 7-figure personal brand, check out our social media posting plan and resource guide. This 11-page guide is fully updated for 2022 and includes our personal posting plan schedule, not just for your Facebook feed, but also for Facebook Reels, Instagram, and Stories. It's absolutely free, so head over to globalfreedomcommunity.com/post to grab your free copy, and I'll link it below for you as well. I mentioned that one of the biggest indicators for algorithmic favor is the signals that your post sends to the algorithm. There's 2 types of signals that the algorithm looks for. Passive signals include things like the type of post you're using, the time of day in which you're posting, also things like when someone stops their scroll to view or read a post, even if they don't engage, or when they click on a post to view the rest of the caption or look at additional photos. Active signals are things we see, likes, reactions, shares, comments. The algorithm also looks at signals like the relationship you have with that user. Is this someone that you regularly engage with and who regularly engages with you? As well as the post's overall popularity. If a post gets good engagement with the first wave of people who see it, the algorithm will push it out to a wider audience. In addition to posting once a day, in order to gain algorithmic favor, you want to be creating posts that send the right signals. So let's talk about how to do that. First of all, you've got to be strategic in how you post and when you use each different post type. In the feed, your posts need to be a blend of personal, inspiring, educational, entertaining, and promotional. Rather than posting a random promotional post on a Friday or Saturday night when people are not online, be strategic. Post an entertaining and engaging post on one day to boost your algorithmic favor, then follow it up with a promotional post 24 hours later. This is just an example. In your promotional posts, think about the kinds of posts the algorithm really likes. Instead of posting something that looks like a promotion, like, for example, an image you create in Canva, post a selfie, a before and after, or a color block post. Instead of including links in your promotional post, which the algorithm really doesn't like, tell people to drop their favorite emoji if they want to know more, and then send them the link privately inside of Messenger. This strategy works for multiple reasons. Remember, one of the signals the algorithm looks for is relationship. If someone engages with your post one day, they are much more likely to see your post the next day. This probability goes up even more if you make sure to respond to every comment you get on the original post. Responding to comments sends yet another signal to the algorithm that you and each person you replied to enjoy engaging with one another. When it comes to the rest of your content, remember the 4 B's. Be original, share your own perspective. Be engaging, ask questions. Be interactive, encourage feedback and conversation. And be authentic. Don't be afraid to show your thoughts and emotions. All right, before we wrap this up, I want to walk you through a scenario of how all of your posts work together to give you algorithmic favor, attract more followers, and convert more sales. Remember, the point of social media is to be social. By using the platform consistently, you're naturally signaling to Facebook that you are a valued user of their platform. Make sure you're spending at least 5 to 10 minutes a day engaging with the posts that you see in your newsfeed. Reels are the only kind of post you can use on your profile right now that gets seen by people who don't already know you. Reels get pushed out by the algorithm to people Facebook thinks will enjoy and engage with your content. This is why posting 3 to 7 Reels a week is essential for growing your Facebook audience. If you're already using Reels on Instagram, this is so easy to do. So if you want a step-by-step tutorial on how to download your Instagram Reels with sound and repost them to Facebook in a matter of minutes, check out this video. All right, so let's say your dream customer sees one of your Reels. They love it. They think you're awesome, and they think they might want to follow you. The first thing they're going to do is click over to your profile. They're going to see your cover photo, your profile picture, and your most recent posts. This is why consistently showing up with valuable, educational, and entertaining content is essential. If they get over to your profile, they're essentially checking to see if the content you shared will add value to their life. So make sure your feed posts are following that strategy I mentioned earlier, a blend of personal, inspiring, educational, and entertaining content. So let's say that you're crushing it in this area and your dream client loves what they see and they decide to follow you. They see an inspirational post that they relate to, they like it, and then a few days later, they stop and comment on one of your entertaining posts, answering a fun question on where they get to share their opinion. You reply to that comment, further signaling to the algorithm that you two really like engaging with each other. And then when your promotional post goes up later that week, your new follower is much more likely to see it because of the algorithmic signals and engage with it because they've already engaged with you once before and you replied, which is the first step to building that know, like, and trust factor. We break all of this down in detail inside our social media posting plan. Not only do we break down each post type, but we also give you a sample schedule that highlights when and where to use each post most strategically so you get the best possible results. This guide is fully updated to include the newest algorithm changes for both Facebook and Instagram, including Reels and Stories, and you can download it for free at globalfreedomcommunity.com/post. Okay, that's all I got for today. If you want to learn more about how to quickly grow your audience on social media, check out this playlist for our most recent and popular videos. Just don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so you'll be notified the next time we release a new video on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.